What if the floor beneath your feet wasn't just a floor, but an invisible vault of heated storage, tanks, wiring, and tech that turns a rolling home into a four-season land yacht? Tonight, the road doesn't end. It opens up a second layer. These are the top 5 most insane double-floor motorhomes, engineered to defy winter, swallow gear, and cocoon travelers in silence. And somewhere on this list is a machine with a hidden supercar garage that slides out like a magic trick. Don't blink. Number 1 will change how the idea of an RV is defined forever. Smash subscribe and tap the bell if your taste runs toward outrageous engineering and road-bound luxury, because there's a double dose of jaw-droppers every week and a bonus behind the scenes after this episode. Before diving into the list, here's what double floor really means. In motorhome engineering, it's an elevated interior floor with a continuous inner space beneath it. Think of it as a climate-buffered basement where tanks, pipes, wiring, batteries, and storage live safely, warm, and silent. This hidden layer does 3 things. It super insulates for winter comfort, it swallows gear in low, central spaces for better handling, and it creates true pass-through storage accessible from inside or outside. Some brands even exceed 40 centimeters of inner space, routing heat and utilities so nothing freezes, even in bitter cold. That's the magic trick behind true luxury land yachting. So let's open the vault. Which one hides a sports car under the living room without stealing headroom upstairs? That's number 2. Which celebrity-grade estate raises a full second story when parked, turning into 1,200 square feet of mobile opulence? That's number 3. And which land yacht makes winter an afterthought with slide-outs wider than a city apartment and a garage big enough for an AMG? That's number 4. Number 5, the Grand Tour concept. Imagine descending a mountain pass at dusk, frost biting the guardrails, sky iron blue, and inside feet are warm thanks to radiant heat drifting up from a hidden layer beneath. That double floor carries fresh, gray, and black water tanks in a tempered space so nothing freezes. The best versions route heating through the inner space, turning it into a thermal buffer while keeping the entire cabin seamless and step-free. European builders pioneered this, with lowered chassis to preserve overall height while still creating a true underfloor layer. On heavy platforms, heights can exceed 40 centimeters, making year-round living not just possible, but pleasurable. This isn't a trend. It's the secret architecture of real luxury on wheels. Number 4, VARIO Perfect 1200 Platinum. Picture a silver arrow of a coach rolling into Dusseldorf's caravan salon. Doors whispering shut, suspension lowering like a yacht kissing the harbor. This is 12 meters of Mercedes-Benz Actros muscle with a handmade interior that blends satin white surfaces with walnut and ambient lighting. The double floor here keeps systems warm, the structure silent, and the storage vast, so the living space can unfurl with 4 slide-outs and still feel rock solid underfoot. But the showstopper is aft. An XXL garage with an automated platform built for a Porsche 911 or AMG GT, balanced perfectly for handling. Add a gas-free heating system, jewel-grade kitchen, and massive freshwater tanks. And this is Germany's love letter to winterproof, long-distance luxury. Number 3, Anderson Mobile Estates. Now for something different, a palatial rig that literally grows a second story when parked. A motorized lift reveals a pop-up penthouse with upstairs lounge and bedroom, downstairs slides, and up to 1,200 square feet of living space. Will Smith's legendary The Heat had a $200,000 kitchen, 14 televisions, and a 30-person screening room, rentable for $9,000 a night. This isn't a drivable double-decker, but it shares the soul of the double-floor ethos. Deploy to transform. Slide-outs expand laterally, mechanics lift vertically, and the result is a boutique hotel on wheels. Think king bed suites, private lounges, and glass walls that turn opaque with a touch of a button. Number 2, Volkner Mobil Performance S. Close your eyes and picture this. A side panel glides down, and a hydraulic platform emerges between the axles, revealing a hidden supercar garage. A Bugatti, a Ferrari, or just your daily driver, tucked beneath the living room. Volkner's patented central garage changed the game, placing the bay exactly where the weight belongs for perfect balance and handling. Without losing a millimeter of headroom above, the same system doubles as a terrace, complete with awning and rails, turning the car bay into a cafe at sunrise. Modular outdoor kitchens, and the ability to carry cars over 4.6 meters long. And this is James Bond theatrics with German precision. Number 1, the double floor doctrine. Here's the twist. The most insane motorhome isn't one model. It's the double floor technology itself. This underfloor architecture makes every miracle on this list possible. It encloses tanks and valves inside the thermal envelope, hides inverters and chargers in accessible hatches, spreads underfloor heat evenly, and removes interior steps so the cabin feels like a flowing gallery. Brands like Carthago and Francia use it to create long pass-through storage for skis, e-bikes, and camera rigs, while heavy chassis builds push inner space heights to true four-season living. For full-timers, this isn't just a feature, it's freedom from worry. And that freedom tastes like quiet roads, warm feet, and winter nights that feel like home. If this kind of deep dive engineering sparks curiosity, join the channel membership. Next month's bonus includes a winter testing mini dock on underfloor heating and a checklist for spotting a true double floor before buying. Now, which one would you take around the world tomorrow? Comment Volkner, VARIO, or Anderson below. The best comment gets a shout out and the winterization checklist in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Next week, we head into the mountains to prove just how much a double floor matters when the Mercury dive bombs. A snowfield, a coach door opens, steam curls from a mug, a panel slides down, a hidden garage transforms into a terrace against a violet sky. The road keeps secrets, double floors keep them warm.